Guys, it has arrived. The Canon 100-400 Mark II lens has arrived. This is something I've been planning on getting for a long time now, as you know. Well, initially I had planned on getting the Canon R5. Obviously that didn't work out. So then I transitioned to this, and this is the lens that I used in Yellowstone this summer, and it is a very, very, very nice lens and a very expensive lens. Came with a price tag, but it is a very great lens. This is a professional wildlife photography lens, and this is really what I've been waiting on to be able to start the wildlife photography vlogs every week. This is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for a good lens, because a lens, in my opinion, is more important than a camera body when it comes to wildlife photography, and I was lacking a good lens. So got one now, and yeah, let's get this open. This is going to be a quick video, probably just a quick unboxing, but I am excited to see this lens and to get it out. And I actually have already seen it because I've used it before, but did order this from B&H, greatest online camera store out there, in my opinion. I have had no problems with them ever, and have heard bad stories from other places. So I always shop B&H. But yeah, here we go, guys. Here it is, 100-400. I guess you can see that. There you go. That box is actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. But yeah, here we go, guys. Here it is. This thing is a monster, as you can see by this box. I mean, the box is a lot bigger than the lens, but you get the point. That should be everything. Got the filter here. I always keep filters on my lens. This is just clear. No, you know, nothing special about it. It's not a polarizer or a grad ND or, you know, something like that. This is just a clear filter, just to keep the dust off the lens element. And so that if I drop it, this cracks, which only costed me 60 bucks instead of my over $2,000 lens. So yeah, anyways, here it is. You can see the box here. And I'm so excited to get into this. Oh man, this is going to be awesome. Going to be able to take some epic photos with this lens for sure. I mean, I already have. Like I said, when I rented it this summer, I was already able to take what I believe are my very best photos with this lens. Okay, there's a plastic insert, and here it is. Here's the moment of truth. Well, I guess it's actually still wrapped up here in its case. So there you go. There's the case. Anything else down in here? Let's see. Nope, just another plastic insert, basically just packaging it. And obviously, like I said, it's wrapped up in this case as well. And then inside of there, it's even more wrapped up. Okay, we have more and more layers we just keep getting to. But I guess that's good. They packaged it very, very well to make sure that this does not get damaged on the way. And here we go, finally, the moment of truth. Here it is. You can finally see the lens through the bubble wrap. And strap for it. There it is. Let me kind of get some of this out of the way. All right, guys. Finally. There it is. 100-400 Mark II. Let me get the hood off here. There we go. All right, so your hood is there. That's still all wrapped up, but here is the lens, and this thing is just beautiful. I mean, look at that. That's one heck of a lens for sure. See, go all the way out to 400, and there's 100. And yeah, this thing is an amazing piece of glass. Like I said, used it this summer, absolutely loved it. This thing is tack sharp, takes the sharpest photos you can get it out of a camera. Like, if you're being restricted, it's not by this lens, it's by your body. Like, if you're getting photos that are not sharp, unless you have a faulty lens, it's not your lens's fault. It's either user error or your camera body. This lens is a sharp, sharp lens, and that's what I love about it. For a zoom lens, this thing, I mean, I don't want to say it's on par with primes as far as the sharpness and clarity, but it's pretty dang close. This is a sharp, sharp lens. And that's really the main reason I wanted it. I mean, the 400 extra reach is great, but with my 250, I could have put a teleconverter on it and got that reach as well. But it's the sharpness is the reason that I wanted this lens. This is a sharp, sharp lens, a high quality lens. You can see by that red ring, it's an L series lens. This is a high quality Canon lens, and it is a phenomenal lens. I can definitely vouch for it. Cannot wait to take this out. I'm going to be doing a review on it on this channel, and I'm also going to be comparing it to the 250 lens in a video. And then obviously, like I said, starting the wildlife photography vlogs each week now. Now we can start them. Now that I have the lens, I can go ahead and get started on the vlogs, and it should be pretty amazing because I now have some amazing gear to shoot with. I now have no excuses for bad photos. I have the gear now. If I have a bad photo, it's my fault, not the gear's fault at this point. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much the unboxing. Pretty simple. Just wanted to take it out, show it to you all. Guess I'll go ahead and unbox the lens hood too, just to show you. It's all wrapped up. But you can see that here. Pretty massive lens hood there. But that screws on pretty easily. Clicks in place, and there you have it. There's your lens hood on the 100 to 400. And there you can see the lens extended there. I mean, this thing is just amazing. Can't wait to go out and shoot with this. As soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to go out and shoot with it. But I just wanted to do this quick unboxing. This will be this week's video instead of like a tutorial style thing, because I wanted to do an unboxing and do it on this channel because some people like unboxings. If you didn't like it, then you probably didn't watch it. But yeah, got it unboxed now. Really like this lens. Cannot wait to take it out and start shooting. And now, guys, this is the point where the weekly wildlife photography vlogs start. This Saturday you will see the first one, and I plan on doing one every week of the year for the rest of the year, unless there's just a week where I'm not able to go out and shoot. So you've got that to look forward to. We're going to have those every Saturday, and then we're going to have the tutorials and reviews and all that stuff continuing every Wednesday. So now the channel really can begin. This is what I've been waiting for. I talked about this in my update video all the way back in October. I've really been waiting to launch this wildlife photography channel until I got the right equipment, until I got gear that could take stellar wildlife shots. Now I have that gear. I've had the camera body for a while that can take great wildlife shots. Now I've got the lens, and the channel is really going to kick in, and is really going to begin now that I have this lens. So yeah, guys, that's it for this unboxing video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have stuck around at this point, if you haven't already, please do not forget to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you all thought, and like this video, share it with your friends. And then most importantly, as always, don't forget to subscribe to be entered for that 1,000 subscriber giveaway to go down to Florida and swim with manatees for free. And I've said it a million times if you've watched the videos, 100% free. All you gotta do is subscribe. You're entered for the giveaway. We fly to Florida, and you're gonna get to swim with manatees. I'm gonna pay for your food, your hotel, everything. So subscribe to be entered for that. And yeah, I'll see you all in the first weekly wildlife photography vlog this Saturday. Bye, guys.